Sense is
So there are a few trends that I think I would highlight. One,
Morningstar
so far
can
we've
help
been
make quick work.
Good morning, everyone. I'm here with Morningstar Fund Analyst Adam Fisch to discuss June's performance numbers. We saw the precious metals category hurt the most this month. Why was that?
Well, the precious metals category was hurt by a drop in gold stocks on the month, and that happened for a couple of reasons. The first was the dropping price of gold. We saw it go from about $1,550 to down below $1,500. That was due to a strengthening U.S. dollar. And we also saw a broader investor sell-off for a lot of the month due to some caution about Greek austerity measures. So as a result, the stock suffered in both ways.
Okay, and why did natural resource funds perform so poorly?
Well, in addition to the broader investor sell-off I mentioned, they were also hurt by the price of oil, which we saw fall, first of all, because of the strengthening U.S. dollar, but also because a number of oil-producing countries agreed to tap their reserves in order to make up for the shortfall that's come from Libya cutting off their production.
And most of the bottom categories for the month were Canadian. What went wrong here at home?
Well, there were a number of sort of negative stories that came out of Canada this month. Of course, near the beginning of the month, Sino-Forest, which has now been well discussed. We saw them lose about 80% of their stock's value. Now they've gained a little bit of it back. And also we saw RIM announce some negative guidance going forward, and that had a really negative impact on the stock. It lost about 20%. So combining those, looking at the number of Canadian funds that have both of those in their portfolios, the funds were going to suffer on the month.
Okay, thanks so much, Adam. To find out more, click on the link on the right side of the page.